Picture puzzle. Picture puzzle is a type of visual activity that involves a series of pictures to be interpreted. Let us learn to solve some types of picture puzzles. Odd one out. Odd one out is a type of picture puzzle in which we identify and mark the odd item. To find odd one out, we have to look for the item that is not matching the other items of the puzzle. For example, in the given 4 pictures, the first 3 are fruits, whereas the last picture is an odd one out as it is not a fruit. Look at few more examples. The circled one is an odd one out. Here, sheep is odd because rest 3 are wild animals. Here, hen is odd because rest 3 are stationary items. Mirror images. One half is the mirror image of the other half. Look at the given images. When a shape looks exactly the same to its original shape after being flipped or turned, it is called a mirror image. Look at the given images. The circled ones are their mirror images.